Hey guys, how you doing? It's Gavin here from the Growing Younger team. So if you're using resistance bands as part of your workout, there's a couple of important things that you need to know about when setting these things up, right? So most bands come with a door anchor, okay? A very small piece of material. And they look different, but as you can see, they got like a bit of a hard sort of ball in there, okay? Which is sewn in to this loop, all right? So what this is designed to do is it fits behind the other side of a door. So if you've got this door just behind you here, what you do is you put that at the top there and you close the door. Then what you do, when you pull this through, it's actually a really strong door anchor. Which means if you're doing any of the, if you're doing any exercises which anchor above your head height, you just simply thread the bands through the loop, and it gives you an anchor for you to obviously, I don't know, pull on this way, okay? Or if you're going to do like a chest exercise, let's say, you'd push down on it, okay? All it does, it anchors the band in. So then what's good about this, it's really versatile. So if you're going to do an exercise from the top there, you can open the door and you can take it through the sort of the mid-range and get that caught up in there. Okay, and all you do then, you obviously going to pull against that way. So be careful though that if you can pull towards the door when it's shut this way. If you pull the other way, sometimes the doors can unpop basically, which basically means that the band could fall out. But that's simply how you anchor the band. It works just as well at the bottom. It go all sorts up and down, and it'll be absolutely fine. So that's how you anchor your bands to a door. If you haven't got an anchor with your resistance bands, you can use anything. You can put maybe a towel or a piece of material, knot the other end and put it through, and it'll just hold. It doesn't damage the door, it doesn't come past, it doesn't break through. It's very, very sturdy. And like I said, you can pull with a lot of resistance against those anchors and they actually remain intact. So any questions are all about that, let me know and I will help you out fixing a solution for you.